Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a new user to your WordPress website. Adding a new user is actually quite simple and straightforward, and you can do it in 3 simple steps. So first of all, you're going to need to log into your WordPress website. You can do that by typing /wp-admin onto the end of your website URL. I'm now logged into the back of the website, running WordPress version 4.94 with the Beans WordPress framework. So to add a new user, all you need to do is come over to the side menu here, scroll down to Users, and then click into the Users section. And you guessed it, I'm going to click Add New. And I've now got the option to create a new user for the back end of the website. So all that you need to do is to give them a username. So new user. You need to assign the user an email address. So if you're giving it to a member of staff, you need to use their email address, as the back end user will be created on that email address. I'm not actually going to create a new user for the purposes of this video. I'm just going to walk you through the steps step by step, but it's simple enough, so you should be able to follow the steps and then just create a new user. So new user email @gmail.com, new user your company website.com, and then you can either take the password that WordPress will automatically generated, which is probably a good idea as it's very strong, probably a lot stronger than your cat's name or your favorite TV show. So I'm just going to leave that there. Send user notification. This is checked by default, so it's going to send the new user an email about their new account. And role. This is the bit that you need to pay attention to. So depending on who you're giving access to your website, you'll want to assign them a certain type of permission. So if it's somebody who's accountable for blog posts, for instance, you might want to give them author privileges, which means they can create blog posts and edit blog posts. Editor, next step up, it does what it says on the tin, so the editor can basically have full control of all of the posts. They can create posts, edit posts, whereas an author can just create and edit their own posts, I believe. And administrator gives someone full administrative privileges to the back end of your WordPress website. So if they know what they're doing, they can get into the editor and access the code and the theme. So this might be something that you assign to your web developer perhaps, or your agency. So depending on the level of privileges that you'd like to assign, you're going to want to select either subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator, and then click Add New User. The new user will be notified via email. You've been granted access to this website. Here is your login password. And there you go. That's all it takes to create a new user for your WordPress website. They'll be able to log into the back end and access the parts of your website that you've given them permission to. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If there's anything specific about user permissions you're unsure on, feel free to drop me a comment on the video. If you have any particular WordPress or WooCommerce questions, feel free to drop me an email at hello@squareinternet.co, and if it's something I can help you with, I'll get back in touch with you ASAP. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be publishing new WordPress, Visual Composer and WooCommerce videos almost every day. Simple, helpful tutorials for small business owners and marketing people on how to maintain and grow your WordPress websites. Hopefully you found the video useful, and thanks very much for watching. Cheers.